Hello everybody, Monica here with Handmade Bay. I am back with Tips and Tricks Thursdays, and I wanted to show you something. The Super Bowl is this weekend, so I know a lot of you are buying wine and beer, and you're going to have a lot of these around. The inserts that they put in so the bottles don't break. Hang on to those. I have a project for you, and I have saved everything I could find. I have a ton of them here. So here is what I did with them. Okay, I took them. And if you look at each individual one, you've got a tag. Okay, so here are some that I made. These are like for Mother's Day. I'll show you. I have to finish them, so I have to put ribbon in, but I just wanted to show you what you could do with these. I mean, yeah, endless possibilities, right? Look at that. This is with that burlap I bought from the last video. So I wanted to show you that. Another idea, I made a little garland for my daughter for Valentine's Day. I'll get it right side up for you. So I took them and did that too. Just put some ribbon, decorated them, and I did that with some stickers. Okay, and here's, I haven't tried it yet, but if you take the individual ones, score it on these lines, score it, or else it'll start to crack. See, I didn't score this one, but this one I did, so I'll show you the difference. See? Okay, so look at this, a ready-made little mini journal. You know, once you cut it, get it even and everything, but it's pretty good this way. See? So, so I thought I would share this idea with you. Post your pictures. Let me know how it worked out, what you thought of doing. Maybe you have something different than what I thought of. But there you go. All right, so I will see you on Monday for Handmade Monday. And I thank you for joining me. Subscribe, send your friends over. The more the merrier. And I will see you next time. Have a good one.